Hi guys, this is Rich with Wild Wonderful Weekends, and this is the 14th video in my series on great places for flatwater kayaking in West Virginia. Today I'm at the Woodrum Lake Wildlife Management Area in Jackson County. This 240-acre lake was built in 1988 and is some of the stillest water I've been on to date. It's like glass, and it's only broken by fish jumping out, birds diving in, or boats and kayaks slicing through. The waterway is narrow, more like a swollen river than a lake, and relatively shallow. There are lots of dead trees in the water and lots of stumps just below the surface. It's the kind of place you want to take it slow and enjoy the scenery. Speaking of taking it slow, motorboats are allowed on the lake, but there's a 10 horsepower limit. And speaking of scenery, the heavily wooded surroundings are beautiful and home to deer, grouse, rabbit, squirrel, turkey, and waterfowl. The water's teeming with life too, including bass, muskie, crappie, bluegill, and the largest freshwater mussels I've seen. Woodrum Lake is just a half-hour drive from Charleston, and most of that is on I-77. The small road from I-77 to the lake is guaranteed to bring a certain John Denver song to mind. The lake winds through the hilly terrain, and there are 3 main forks with lots of small coves. You can see from this photo that it's an excellent place to paddle, and it's easily one of the most peaceful places I've visited. To give you an idea of size, if you paddle from the boat ramp to the dam without exploring any of the forks or coves, the distance is just over 3 miles. So if you're looking for new places to kayak and you haven't visited Woodrum Lake yet, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.